Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dream House Designs channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to an idyllic escape nestled amongst the towering trees and vibrant landscapes of Forest County. Are you ready to discover your own Forest County oasis? Imagine waking up to the gentle symphony of nature, sunlight filtering through the trees, and stepping onto your own private dreamy wide balcony. That's exactly what awaits you in this collection of Forest County Oasis, 52 side houses with wide balconies, each meticulously crafted to offer a haven of tranquility and connection with the surrounding beauty. Sunlight filters through towering pines, dappling the floor of your cozy haven. The gentle rustle of leaves and the call of birds create a symphony of nature, serenading your every moment. This isn't a fantasy, it's your reality waiting to be embraced in the Forest County Oasis, a collection of 52 stunning side house designs, each featuring the ultimate indulgence, a dreamy wide balcony. Forest County isn't just a place on a map, it's a feeling. It's the crisp morning air that invigorates your senses, the vibrant tapestry of leaves changing with the seasons, and the peace that settles deep within as you reconnect with nature. But within this vast canvas, your oasis awaits, tailored to your unique desires. For the romantics, imagine a rustic cabin with a stone fireplace, its balcony adorned with fairy lights, creating a magical haven for two. Picture yourself curled up with a book, the crackling fire warming you from within as the forest whispers secrets outside. For families, envision a modern side house with ample living space, its expansive balcony flowing seamlessly into the living room, creating a playground for laughter and shared moments. Imagine children chasing fireflies in the twilight, their eyes sparkling with the magic of nature. Perhaps you seek a minimalist escape, a retreat for rejuvenation. Picture a sleek, eco-friendly design, its balcony offering panoramic views of the forest canopy. Imagine practicing yoga as the sun rises, the only sound your breath harmonizing with the rustling leaves. But the true magic lies not just in the location or design, but in the transformative power of the wide balcony. It's an extension of your living space, a stage for creating memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine waking up to a steaming cup of coffee, the cool morning air invigorating your senses as you gaze at the awakening forest. Picture hosting barbecues with friends, laughter echoing around you as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues. On chilly evenings, gather around a crackling balcony fireplace, sharing stories and dreams under a star-studded sky. Or simply curl up with a good book, the gentle breeze carrying the whispers of the forest, lulling you into a state of serene relaxation. And to ignite your own creative spark, we're offering external views for all 52 designs. Choose your favorites, explore the possibilities, and customize your personal oasis. Imagine stepping off the balcony and into your dream, every detail reflecting your unique personality and desires. But this is just the beginning. Forest County offers endless possibilities for exploration. Hike through ancient trails, kayak on tranquil lakes, or discover hidden waterfalls. Let your spirit run wild, immerse yourself in the beauty, and create memories that will forever be etched in your heart. So, embark on your journey to the Forest County Oasis. Discover your perfect side house, embrace the transformative power of the wide balcony, and create a haven where nature and comfort intertwine. Let this be the chapter where your dream forest life unfolds. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by towering trees and lush greenery. Breathe in the fresh air and let the tranquility of the forest melt away your stress. Step onto your expansive balcony and feel the sun on your face, the wind in your hair. Hike through scenic trails, kayak on peaceful lakes, or explore hidden waterfalls. Nature's playground awaits your exploration. Watch the forest transform through the year, from the vibrant colors of spring to the golden hues of autumn and the peaceful snowfalls of winter. Each season offers a unique spectacle to behold. Choose from a diverse range of 52 side house designs, each catering to different styles and needs. Create a space that reflects your personality and provides the perfect haven for relaxation. The dreamy wide balconies become an extension of your home, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Enjoy al fresco dining, stargazing evenings, or simply soaking up the breathtaking views. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and retreat to your personal oasis. The calming natural environment and spacious design foster a sense of tranquility and well-being. Become part of a community that shares your appreciation for the outdoors and sustainable living. Find like-minded individuals who value peace, tranquility, and a connection with nature. Explore the nearby towns and villages, experience the local culture, and support small businesses. Immerse yourself in the unique character of Forest County. So, have you found your Forest County Oasis yet? Explore all 52 designs. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home design journeys. What would your dream Forest County escape look like? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's create a community of nature lovers. But the secrets of Forest County go beyond these 52 designs. Stay tuned for more hidden gems and breathtaking escapes coming soon.